Yo, what up, Kenny? What up? What up? What's going What's going on? What up? I'm fucking tired, but I want to trade, and it's not too late, so I can stream. I haven't hit my curfew yet. No skills. What up? Hey, stop being a fucking asshat, all right, pal? You see what I got in my thumbnail? 0 Day Jane here. What's up, Joe? Saying right? Mwah. 6 Billy Bands. Andy. You see this fucking thumbnail? Hold on a sec. uh, I haven't even looked at the charts since I got back. I got a quick flip in a little after the market opened on my 25K take profit trader that is now, essentially passed. Just got to get my flip days in. And then when I did that, right after, right before I left, I saw that gold kind of, when Asia opened. Was I still home? Yeah, I was still home. But Asia opened and gold dropped after it was trying to push. I don't know what's happened since because I left to go to the gym. So I'm about to look and see for the first time since a while ago. Nayo, what's up? Yeah. We got Asshat gang here. Oh my god. Slick Rick, the ruler. Reading storyteller, what up? Who is that? Oh, Pete. Trades with Pete. What up? What up? All right. Let's see what I need a new fucking I tried to have ChatGPT make me a new header, but it just didn't. I gotta give it some better prompts because only like it depends on like if you're on your desktop, only so much fits in this area depending on if you're in your desktop, on a phone, or on a TV. So it's different. So it's gotta like fit on all of it. But I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, let's see. Okay. Oh shit. Oh shit. That's it fucking dropped. What's our range? 87. Not even 400 ticks on gold. NQ. I mean, NQ dropped as well, but it didn't plummet. Yeah, it got right here and then it bounced, which is like a 707 or 786 with this being the last low. Let's double check that. But that ain't the last. Is that the last low? No, because we opened down here. But yeah, I guess I could. I can't. You can't see it because it's like the first candle just wicked down. There it is. You can see it right there. So what I'll do is I'm just curious. That's probably the 786. Let's look at this fucking pop right after. 456 to. It's not even a lot though. Again, we're in a very tight range. Very fucking tight. Tomorrow is OPEX. All right, so here's the low and the high. More like the 707. Very fucking tight range. We retested it here. Oh, we just hit the 786 right here, just about. Well, actually, no. I'd have to expand this like this. That's the high. The high a day is also that is the high on this fib, and then the low is the low a day. You can still treat that like the low a day, and there it is, just about a 786. But even that, like 55, that's fucking 20. Really? That's 20 points. Real tight ranges. What's going on with crude? Did you know that crude is rolling over? New contract is CLM 6. Yeah, again, tight like a tiger. Isaac. Oh, Andy. Yeah, Sohel, what up? Well, Pete, I mean, this is an old thumb. This is an old header. This is an old header that Newt's made for me like a year and a half ago, a year ago. I mean, it does what it's supposed to do. It says my name. It says when I stream, calls to action, subscribe and like, use my fucking code, all that shit. But I want to get something that's more. Now that I know how to use ChatGPT, I want to have something made in there. But this is I like minimalistic. I'm a minimalistic type of guy. Like this is very minimalistic. This one's got a lot of shit going on, which is cool. This is the best one. And then this one's fucking funny too. And then these are a bunch that other people made for me. All of this. I didn't make any of these. Vince, Armando Cifuentes, Clinville, we are fucking green. The only account I traded is green. Boom. Take that. Take that. Take that. So hell, I appreciate the offer. I'll just use I could just use whatchamacallit, ChatGPT. Whips shit up for me in like a minute or two. AG, what up? That pic of me doesn't do much justice to my beautiful face. This picture, actually, you talking about the thumbnail from today? This is a cartoonized picture of me that another channel. This is another channel's depiction of me, an iteration of me. They this one channel, Futures for Our Future, used to make like these cool fucking animated cartoon videos, and I was in one of their first videos, and this is what they had me look like. They had me look like that. So I took a screenshot of it and used it in my thumbnails because why not? They just got a free plug, even though they don't make videos anymore for whatever reason. But yeah, this fucking price action is kind of whack. They didn't miss much. Gold is interesting. All right, so isn't that funny? Here's the low. Here's the high a day. Actually, the high a day, the low a day. Holy fuck! What just happened? But we came up to the 786 and rejected. We pulled back 52. Shit, we pulled back 100 ticks and then bounced because of the new hour fuckery and just got it all back. Now we're back at that 786. Nice little V scam V fucking right there. Now the question is, does it keep pushing higher? If that is the case, I would expand this fib to the next high, which is over here. It really depends. I think it's going to keep pushing. I don't know. We're at the the upper the VWAP band right there. I mean, this range is so tight. It's got to expand. I feel like the range is going to get bigger. Just which way? To the upside or the downside? Right now, it looks like it could get bigger to the upside. So even with that said, I want to go to this high. I want to be more conservative and wait for this. And then what I'll do is fuck. There we go. Am I in the right account? No, I don't need to trade that account. All right. Now we're good. $707, $786. If that was the high, if I go to another high, a higher high, right here, is that appropriate? Yep. I'll put. Then we got the 786 over here, and then one last time. At that point, I mean, we keep pushing through that, then I'm pretty much fucked. All right, there, just like that, and just like that. Janay. Check Discord. What am I looking for? Oh. Lanto got caught paper trading? If you were on the live, then you know. Well, you know. Why would you execute it on paper for the live, but execute on your real account on your phone? That doesn't make any fucking sense. You know this if you were on the live stream. That's the dumbest shit I've ever heard. Hey, yo, Dark Cloud, what up? Colby, DGen. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this kid. I did it on my phone. It was my phone, guys. Sure, buddy. I can't reply because he blocked me for asking him basic questions about his Lucid account. What a fucking joke. Is that what you wanted me to see, Clinvale? I think so. People fucking, that's why you just can't believe everything you see on the internet. These guys are all fucking, you just never know when they're fucking being honest or not. Simplistic, what's up? Keegan, what up, Bree? V33, what up? I mean, what do you guys think? If it walks like a duck and quacks like a duck, it's a fucking duck, right? Guy's a fucking asshat. Oh, God. I mean, Jesus Christ. It's fucking hilarious. like Nick Cannon. Yeah, see, it pushed higher. See, this was the 786. You see this right here? This was the 786 with the fit. Well, this was actually this right here. That was the 786 with this being the low and this being the previous high and this last low here. It rejected off of that once and then it fucking scam V'd up and made a high and then made higher highs and basically rendered that Fibonacci retracement useless at that point. Which is why I went more conservative and I went for the next highs. Like this is the 786, I think, with this being the high. I forgot what I did. Something along those lines. Or 707s and 786s. And then I just kept going up the line. So I got like this order block, this zone of orders here. You see, guys? And I still could get fucked. It might not even come up here. Who the fuck knows? Shit's moving slow as fuck. You see? So, anyway. What up, Jordan? Yeah, it's just crazy, bro. How did I mark these orders simplistic? Well, I drew out some fibs, right? I drew out some fibs depending on where I base my high, my last high. And this is for a rejection. I have orders in for a pullback, a reversal to the downside. So if I draw, well, actually I have the fib right here. Let me get out of here. So I started here, right? And we already fucking nullified that. Although we're back in there, in that zone. This fucking up with the VWAP band is holding. I still don't trust it. I still think we go higher. And if we don't, then so be it. Then I'll wait for a bounce opportunity. So this got broken, and I had a feeling it would because we had this scam V, and sure enough, it did. And then where's the top of this fucker? Right here. Then I went to the next high. I didn't like these either. I don't know. Although if you look here, this high right here, we're rejecting off the 707, which is just above this upper the VWAP band. But I'm being more conservative because we're in such a tight range right now that I feel like the range is going to expand, and it could potentially expand to the upside. This is the high of day right here. The range is what? 225, 875, 350 ticks. That's like nothing for gold, especially with how shit's been lately. So I went to this as the last high, and at this spot, the last high, the 707 is here, which is I have my order right before it, just in case it doesn't quite touch it and then decides to reject. And then I have another order at the 786 in case it keeps going, and then I expanded it a little further to the next high in case that gets broken, right? And there's the third order, which is just below the 786. And then this high right here, which is as far as I want to go, and it's the last high for a while, right? At that point, if we get through all this, then hats off to the fucking market makers. The next one, though, is right here. And that's where my order's there. So I got like an order block, a zone of orders, just based on this low and then this high, and this high. Doomlord, what up, man? Crank, what's good? Conrad, you see, guys? Tickle, what's good? Chase, does it make sense? Does it make sense to you, simplistic? Why I did that? Although my thumbnail clearly states that I just guess my way in and guess my way out, right? So those are going to be potentially lucky guesses. Coach Eddie, what up, man? Korani. Conrad plays. I know Conrad because he moved out to Vegas and then ended up on my baseball team. And he's a fucking degenerate. He's a fucking degenerate. So he's a homie. He's a homie out here. He's a baseball homie. The only friends I have out here in Vegas, aside from a couple of guys that are in the Discord that just happen to live out here too, the only friends I have out here that are not related to the channel in any way, shape, or form are baseball, are guys I know from playing baseball. Those are the only friends I have of my baseball homies out here. Dark Cloud. You got to trademark. I can't trademark it, AG. That's somebody else. That's fucking, it's me. I'm not making fun of him, but there's a guy named Rich who has a channel called Trading Wars with a Z. And that's who I originally initially learned about the Fibonacci retracement from Brett from Trade Iffy. And then I came across this guy with a channel called Trading Wars, and I learned a lot more about it from him. And he always would say, and he still does because he still has his channel, you see, guys, all you had to do, guys, okay, guys, right there, guys. He sounds just like that. Or I sound kind of like him when I say it. I try to sound like him. Dark Cloud wants DGen Con. I want to do DGen Con too. When the time is right, we're going to do it. But right now, like, this shit is not fucking moving. It's so fucking annoying. Oh, look at the NQ fucking dropping lower. Let's see. Whoops. I'm going to list low, and that'll be closer to the 786. That's interesting. Man, I'm fucking tired. I literally got like the worst fucking sleep last night. Broken. I was up all night because of my fucking dog. All fucking night because of that old man dog. He sleeps like a fucking baby during the day, but at night, first of all, I was feeding him at 1 o'clock in the morning. And then, like, when he's got to, like, go make, he starts fucking panting. He's panting fucking loud as fuck. And then when he finally does fall asleep, he's fucking breathing heavy and loud as fuck. I can't fucking sleep. And I want to sleep in bed, you know? So I could fucking grope my wife while she's sleeping. Or whatever, just be in bed because my bed is more comfortable than anywhere else in the house, like the fucking couch. And I had to keep getting up. I couldn't fucking sleep at all. I'm fucking exhausted. I mean, that dog's on his last fucking days anyway, but who knows? He might live for another 3 years. So imagine the next fucking 3 years of me just not sleeping at all, because that's basically what's going on. And they say, you know, they talk about quality of life, you know, when you're getting towards the end, they're not just talking about quality of life of the dog, but they're also talking about quality of life of the owners. And my quality of life is fucking shit right now because I don't sleep. I need to sleep. I'm sure it has some impact on my trading. Probably just a tad, you know, probably just a tad. But hey, whatever. You see, guys, like even this right here, like look at this. Wow, we popped. Look at that scam V. We're literally up 8 fucking points. Not even 8 points. This shit is so fucking tiring. I mean, so it just looks tired. But tomorrow is OPEX. So expect it to be a little fucking crazy towards the end of the day, maybe all day. Hey, this is another thing that the guy from Trading Wars does. Put a 3 in the chat if you think it's going to be a wild fucking day of trading tomorrow. Okay, guys? But yeah, I'm just fucking waiting for something to happen. I got orders in. Orders are in. Am I even still fucking talking? Does anybody even hear me? Hold on. Oh, I'm still here. All right. That's how fucking boring this fucking market is. Nobody even put a fucking 3 in the chat. There they are. All right, thanks. Hey, thanks. Don't be a bunch of fucking asshats, all right? Hold on a sec. Oh, man. Maybe I should just start cursing you all out and yelling at you guys. What do you think? Like this fucking guy.
Let's go, you fucking loser. God, I can't wait to ban your ass. Oh, I'm on the train on YouTube. Give me longer and I'll send it. Bro, screenshot send message x.com/rips, you fucking asshat. What a fucking loser this guy is. Jesus Christ.
Cranny P. Oh my God. At some point, we're going to be able to put a whole compilation together of this guy. Cranny, what up, man? We got that one. We got this. I'm sure there's more, but these are the 2 that I have.
Isn't there a flatten all button, dude? Okay, I'm in Apex. Where do I go? Help! Fuck! You guys are so fucking annoying. Where's the button?
Oh my God. You like Nao? You like Scott Treestay's bankruptcy proceeding cars? You like Scott's fucking bankruptcy auction cars? This car and this car and this car. I got them all from Scott Treestay's bankruptcy auction, where he got 5-year-old fucking exotics. Hey, Rips here. And if you want to get yelled at and told you're a fucking loser and an asshat, come watch me trade. Money Mitch, what up, man? Yo, you just got here? God, you just got here and that's what you got blessed with? Roll. He gets so much run on my channel, he should fucking thank me. Natty, you hanging out with other fucking streamers? Were you being an asshat? Hope you weren't being an asshat. Yeah, this fucking shit is slow as fuck, man. Is this thing even on? Where are my glasses? Hey, where are my fucking glasses? Which one of you asshats hid my glasses on me? Can this thing make a push for the next level? What's NQ doing? Oh shit, NQ's fucking pumping. It's up 9 points. Chat, you see, guys? You fucking see? Yeah, I don't blame you, man. The markets have been crazy. I'm only fucking around. Here in my garage. This was like the only fucking opportunity right here on the NQ, right? Right around here. I mean, I guess you could have went short, maybe. I mean, if you saw it. But on gold, like this was nice right here, but I wasn't around for it. I was around for this. But all I did was, this is all I did so far, just get my flip day in on this past account. It's not technically passed, it's unofficially passed. I just got to get a couple of flip days in. Now, like, this is my third day, I think, with this account. Let me just double check. Chat. Pretty sure I'm on. Yeah. Yeah, I'm on day 3. I needed to get to 1509. Now I'm at 1513 in profit, and I just got to not lose $4 over the next 2 trading days. How hard can it be? You know? The knees, I gotta, you know, I need like another fucking $4,100. How hard can that be? But yeah, I don't know. This shit is whack. Colby. The red M3. I do like. You talking about the M5? I saw that though. I do love M3s too. But E30 M3s and E36 M3s only. But what up, Josh? I'm trying. I have like a bucket list of cars I want to get. But, you know, cool old cars. I'm waiting for fucking Scott to declare bankruptcy again. Maybe I can pick up some of his cars. Yeah. You know? And then put them in a fucking YouTube ad and say, you see this car and this car and this car. I got them all from the fucking rug pulling jerk off for pennies on the dollar. Rips here. No, but like I have like a bucket list of cool cars that I've always liked that I want to get. And an E39 M5 is on the list. And I would definitely get it in red. I don't want to get a black one because I feel like, or a silver one. Although I like black and I like silver, but I would get a white one. I would get that fucking blue one. And I would get a red one for sure. It just really all depends on what kind of shape it's in when I'm like you know what, I think I'm ready to get one. I also want to get a fucking, I don't know why, but I just love, I mean, well, there's a lot of reasons why, but I want a Maserati Gran Turismo. I want one of those. That car, I could see myself just having that car for a little while, just to fucking fuck around with it for a bit, and then just selling it. The M5 I would keep for a while. The M5 would be like a garage, like I would take the M5, and because I have very limited space in my driveway in my garage, I would fucking like park it somewhere where like there's like I know they have them out here in Vegas, but like I could keep my car stored in some cool fucking shop that they store everybody's cool cars, and I would do that. Or I would find somebody in my neighborhood and see, hey, can I rent some garage space from you? You know, do that. But I don't really know anybody out here to do that with. Someone that, and I would rather it be someone that doesn't live, that's not like full time out here. Because like they could go in the garage and fucking scratch it or something by accident or whatever, dropping something on it or bumping into it. But I would love me an M5. I want an SQ8 really bad. The Audi truck. It's such a beautiful truck, and it's a fucking sexy as fuck, and they're fast as fuck, and they could be had for like, I'm starting to see them for like under 40 with some mileage on them and shit. Okay, this shit ain't moving. Obviously, like an RS6 Avant is like one of my dream cars, but they're just so, I mean, maybe a man of Rips' stature could afford one, but I have enough money to go buy one, I guess, technically, right? But I'm not going to go fucking spend it all on that. It's fucking stupid. I wouldn't get a car like that until I have some fuck you money. And then with all that said, I'll probably end up getting another fucking LS430 or some sort of fucking old Lexus. Like what I have now. Yeah, RS6s are fucking insane. I've had 4 Audis. I had 2 Q7s that I leased. I had an A6 that I leased, and I had a 2011 S6 that I ended up trading in for the fucking A6. Joshua, yeah. Alexander Podgorski. That was his real name, according to the court filings. Marco, what's up? How hard can it be, right? Chase. Bro, I know. You have a 2016 M2 comp? Yeah, but bro, you know what's crazy about those cars? There's so much fucking money now. Those are cool. I see them. It's not that I don't like them. I see them. I just don't like newer Beamers. That's not entirely true. I like the 8 Series. I like some of them. I don't know. I just like older cars. I like them. I like the older cars because they're more analog. You know, you feel like it's just a totally different drive. Especially the E39 M5. It's like the best fucking car they've ever made. That chassis alone, it's like the best fucking BMW ever made. Yeah, the S5, man. S5s, and I that's when I first fell in love with Audis. I started seeing those S5s driving around. I'm like, what the fuck is that car? Is fucking sick. And then I ended up getting an S6 because I like those cars too. And I've liked them ever since. I don't know. They're expensive to maintain. They're just expensive in general. And I was leasing at one point. I was leasing an 2016 A6. I think I had a Prestige. I think it was a Prestige with the supercharger. The fucking car was great, amazing, beautiful car. And I was leasing a fucking 2017 Q7 at the same time. Between that and my car insurance, my fucking monthly fucking outlay was like $2,000. It was stupid. So now I fucking own a fucking LS430, no fucking payment. But like, you know, they need work. Parts are expensive. Labor's expensive. But my cost of ownership will go down the longer I have the car, you know? Colby, that's awesome that it does feel like that, even in 2016. Yeah, Colby, yeah, the RSQ8 again. They're better. I just like them. I like Audi. I just think they're beautiful. I like them more than the Lambo truck. But the thing about the RSQ8 is like, I could get I could get a regular SQ8 and it's just almost as good. It's almost the same fucking thing. It still has like 500 horsepower. And if I want to fucking get some fucking APR tunes, right, I could probably get it up to 600. If I wasn't dumping all this fucking money into my house, then I probably would have had one of them already. Probably would have had any one of those 3 cars I was talking about. The Gran Turismo, the fucking M5, or a fucking SQ8. But I ended up buying this fucking liability and I'm fucking paying for it. RS7's a fucking dope too. Yeah, the RS, yeah, they're fucking crazy. They're crazy. They're also fucking 30,000 more. They look almost the same. They just have more fucking juice underneath the fucking hood. They look identical. They're identical. Maybe they have different wheels. Bro, literally, I got on the stream, right? I got on and this little pop happened right after I got on, and then we've literally gone fucking sideways ever since. Because I was looking at gold. NQ bounced a whole fucking 10 points right here, and then it just gave it all back. Like, this is fucking awful. I was hoping to come on and be able to like take some trades, but like the shit ain't moving. You know when it's gonna start moving around in like an hour and a half to 2 hours, it's gonna start moving again. Unless there's some news that breaks out, you know, about fucking Iran or some shit. Yeah, there's just nothing going on. Apple status page shows Apple Music outage. Cool. Is there any fucking... Is there any, let's see, tomorrow? No, nothing. FOMC Waller fucking talks. So this guy's going to be lying through his fucking teeth at 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern. It's not even a red folder event. There might be a little bit of fucking... It'll just add to the fucking OPEX fucking fuckery, but nothing crazy. Mikey, did I get my live account yet? No. They said they were going to reach out to me in a week. It hasn't been a week yet. And who knows if it's really going to be a week, bro. Am I going to trade it any differently? Yeah, probably. Or I don't know. I don't really know. It depends on... I don't know anything about it. It depends on how much drawdown I have and all that shit. Once I know anything about it, I will let you guys know what my plan is. You getting moved to Trade Iffy live? That's a good job, man. Clearly you've been fucking killing it, bro. Which is great. You know what you're gonna notice? The fills are gonna be a little different. What up, Josh? Bro, Josh, I have no I've been telling you guys since this happened. I have no fucking idea about any of it. Stop being a bunch of fucking asshats. I know nothing. People keep asking me questions like I know anything. I know nothing. All I know is that if you use the best fucking code 0DJ, you'll get 90% off evals. Is that still in play? Evals that I can't buy anymore. Yep, 5 days. 0DJ will get you 90% off. That's all I know. No, Mikey, I don't know. Maybe Nutty knows. I have no fucking idea. You know what else I know about guys like Nutty? He's still allowed to trade with 20. He could buy as many evals as he wants. Not me. I went on too much of a fucking heater for a 3-month stretch of time. A little more than 3 months, 3.5 months, 4 months. I went on a fucking heater, and now I got pushed. I'm graduated. But I don't know. If I knew, I would tell you guys. I have no fucking idea. My influencer rep was supposed to get back to me in 24 hours 3 days ago. So he has no fucking idea either. They didn't ban me. Well, maybe they did. I don't know. I am graduated to live. They didn't ban me. I got graduated to live. If that makes any sense. I have no fucking clue, bro. I don't know. I don't know anything. All I know is I'm the only simfluencer out there who's an advocate for Apex, who got pushed live. The only one. Aside from like Kane and fucking JCap, but those dudes fucking took millions combined. JCap, what'd he do? 2.4 million, and Kane was like 1 point something. I didn't do any of that. So that's Emil, that's every prop firm. If you go live in any prop firm, you can't buy evals. What's wrong with going live? Well, I won't the profit potential, the potential to fucking, especially with Apex. You know, Apex is one of the biggest benefits of trading with Apex is you could have as many as 20 accounts and get paid on 20 accounts at the same time. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to do that. Probably only going to have one live account. A lot of prop firms, most of them will only let you have live account. Like Tradeday. Tradeday, like Mikey's about to go live with Tradeday. He's going to have one account. Yeah, I probably could get a big payout, but you got to fucking trade them differently. It's not like I'm going to have 20 accounts all with $2,000 worth of drawdown. You know what I'm saying? Whatever I end up with, it's not going to be like that. Yeah, the dad is $140 per thing. Yeah, Take Profit Trader gives you 5. You could have as many as 5 live accounts. But it's not, it doesn't, yeah, I mean, they're great. I fucking love Take Profit Trader. The profit split goes from 80-20 to 90-10, and you go from intraday to end of day in your trailing. Trade day, you get one account, but they combine, like if you have 3 accounts, they combine whatever drawdown you have left, and they put that into the account. Lucid gives you the choice of having multiple accounts or one. It depends on what you had going in. Top Step only gives you one account. My Fund the Futures only gives you one account. So it's not like this thing that, like, if that's what I end up with Apex, like, you know, I'm getting screwed. It's just that's very common. No buffer payouts day one. Yep. Mr. Beg Beef. Bro, I don't know. I can tell you one thing. You know, if they want me to be, how do I say this without hurting anyone's feelings over there? It's just better. It's better if you know, the marketplace, their potential customers can see me trading with a bunch of Apex accounts versus one live account. Does that make sense? What's up, buddy? So I just, you know, what are you doing? How'd you get there? How'd you get over there, Harvey?
You have Romeo?
Yeah, I got him. Harvey's on the other side. He's standing. Oh, they went in the hot tub, right? But what was I saying? I don't know. So it's just weird. You know, I'm just a little confused about the whole thing. But what am I supposed to do? What am I going to do? Cry about it on social media? you know, try to get the angry mob. Try to get the angry mob, you know, fucking like, you know, commenting on my post to get them to take some sort of action. Why am I going to do that? It's not even worth it. Come on, let's go, buddy. Come on, hurry up, hurry. I know you got to go. Go. Hurry up.
Yeah, he's fighting.
Oh, did I just fucking... Yo. Did more lights just fucking... These fucking lights went out too? The fuck? All of these lights fucking... Backyard just fucking blew out. Awesome. Hell yeah. Oh. You guys want to see the kitchen? There's the kitchen. There's my fucking... There's my M5 and Gran Turismo combined right in there. Right, Jay? Hold on a sec. I want to see something. Is this open? Hold on a sec. There we go. So I can see chat. I can't see the chat. What up, John? Did I have old or new Apex before live? I had the new one. I got a fuck ton of payouts from Apex, but between November, like from November 21st to April to March 12th or some shit. It was like 94 grand. And then they rolled out the new plans. I blew all my fucking PAs that I had, my legacies. And then I got whatchamacallit. Then I started trading with the new accounts. I got one payout on two different accounts. I was working on my second payout on both of them. Well, I didn't even get a chance to work on the second one. I kind of didn't trade it right away after I got my payout. And then whatchamacallit. I had a third PA. I had a couple of evals, and then I got graduated. I logged into Tradeday, and the accounts weren't there. And then I logged into my Apex account, and then I saw that I got the notification or whatever. Congratulations, you're being transitioned to live. So that's all I got for you guys. What's up? What up, Muggs? Felix. You guys, you're asking me, Emil, I have no fucking idea, bro. I don't know the answer to anybody's questions about the live shit. I know nothing. Yeah, it looks a lot different. These are never going to get filled unless this shit pops. It looks a lot different trading one account, especially with Apex, when you know that even as recently as February, I was trading with 20 funded accounts. I had 20 funded accounts. I literally got paid on all 20 accounts, not at the same time, but in the month of February, I got paid on every. I had 20 PAs and I got paid at least once on all 20 of them. Some of them I got paid 4 times. 6 of them I got paid 4 times. I went on a fucking absolute tear. This guy want to eat. Yo. You want to eat, bro? I want an absolute fucking tear. What's going on with NQ? Nothing. It's just this is so fucking bad. It's probably gonna be like this until we get closer to London. Here in my garage. I'm here in my garage with the world's only 3-row Lambo and my fucking LS 430. Baller ass LS 430. Just baller, son. This guy, where is he? Oh shit. That's fucking heavy. I don't even know if he wants to eat, but he probably does because he always wants to fucking eat. We'll see. We'll see. Sorry, I'm like, oh shit, NQ's pumping right now. Look at that. It's up fucking 12 points. Not even. It's up 11 points. Please tell me gold's going up too. Ugh, nope. Hold on, I gotta put this shit down. Sorry, guys. And Q's still going up. Oh my God, it's fucking pumping. It's up fucking 12 points. Yeah. Better eat that shit, motherfucker. It's my fucking makeshift kitchen right now. Till this shit is fucking done. Oh, you fucker. Why'd I do that? Oh, look at NQ fucking pumping. Got some new hour fuckery here. If I go to this low yet, that's a 618 bounce, but whatever. Might go lower for all we know. All I know is this price action is fucking garbage. garbage. There's nothing. I like. Just don't see anything happening here until later. Dice are out. What up, man? Is Pro Plus the same as Live and Take Profit Trader? No. Pro Plus, you get instead of an 80-20 split, it's 90-10, and instead of it being intraday trailing like it is on the Pro Plus, aka Live, is end of day trailing. So the profit split is better, and it's end of day, and you can still have as many as 5 accounts. Yeah, not you, Harvey. It's fucking gross. Josh. CyberPie, what up? Yeah, tomorrow's OPEX. You know what's better than an M5? Knowledge. You don't need a cookie, Luna. You just clean the bowl. JP, Rick. Did I get taller? I think I went not to the ceiling, but they're up pretty high. Apparently, the ones that we got are the most expensive ones that the place fucking had to offer. Of course, that's what my wife liked. Dice are out, no problem. Robert Gallis, what up, man? I'm just curious what this new hour is going to bring, and then I'm going to get off. If it brings nothing. Probably should pay attention to gold. Just look at, it's literally not fucking moving. Although this is like what? I mean, whatever. This is fucking 60 something ticks. I just don't. It just was moving so fucking slow. I don't know. The new hour came at 8 o'clock my time, and we went up 150 ticks actually, but I missed it. Like by the time I got on and was like got my shit together and was looking, it was already like mostly all the way up. What's Crude doing? Don't be a rude. Like Crude. Yeah, everything's just like there's just no fucking. Everything's in a tight fucking range. Oh, whoops. I wanted to do something. These only need $300. How hard can it be? All right. 15 seconds for a new hour. Dude, what the fuck? There's your new hour. Whoa. Mugs. Yeah, that's fucking dope, bro. 315. I'm not even close to 315 on the bench. I don't lift super heavy. I'm strong, but I don't lift like I'm stronger like with my back. My back muscles are stronger. Yeah, Rick, it's like waiting for some fucking shit over in the fucking Middle East. Shoulder's gonna hurt regardless. I might as well send it. Yeah. Especially on a barbell. I'm getting old. You just had your first kid. What are you, like, fucking 26, 25? Mikey. Yeah, it's fucking bad. It's really fucking bad. For it to even come anywhere near my order, dude, my orders are way up here. But that's just where, I don't know, that's just where my zone, that's where I'm willing to fucking go in short. Dude, you know what else is fucking crazy? The distance between this order and this order is 160 ticks. I probably shouldn't even have these orders like this. Not for this size. It's one mini at a time because they're 150Ks. But man, if I got filled on all these and it came up here to fill this, I'm going to be down a fuck ton. Yeah, I'm canceling all of that. There we go. I'll just wait for it to move around. It ain't moving. It ain't going to be moving for like, I mean, I'm saying that now. Like, I just don't think it's going to start moving around for like another hour and a half, personally. And then right after I get off the stream, watch it fucking go crazy. But I'm just going to go hang out. I haven't really seen my wife all day because she's doing fucking jury duty. Awesome. Lucky me. Oh, man. I wish I was paying attention to that. Look at that. I wasn't zoomed in enough. I was zoomed out hella. But, right? Right here, we had almost a 786 rejection, basically a 707 rejection. And look at this right here. Look at this. Got this high, this low. 786. But whatever. And Q, nothing. Maybe NQ's going to push higher. Who the fuck knows? This is just moving so fucking slow. You put on that baby weight. I fucking put on a bunch of weight because I started taking creatine. Oh, you're 35? No fucking way, bro. I had no idea, man. I figured because you had was that your first kid that you just had? I figured you were like in your 20s because of that. And because you call me Uncle Jay. I'm only 12 years older than you, bro. Well, not even. I'm 46. I'm 11 years older than you. I'm not 47 yet. Let's not get too carried away. What up, iTrade? Shit's crazy slow. Yeah, be good money, Mitch. I don't blame you. There's those rare occasions where like you could be someone's uncle, but you're old, but you're younger than them. It really all depends on like when people started having kids, you know? JP, you're old as shit, bro. All right, I'm throwing in the towel. This is look, now it's starting to go, but I don't know. It's so fucking. It did bounce. How many ticks? 20 something ticks right there. This was a nice little drop here, though. We're just, you know what it looks like? It looks like we're flagging. That's what it looks like. You got your fucking, you got my pole right here. Make that bigger. Let me give this pole some girth. Let me give my pole a little bit of girth, right? There we go. Got some nice girth there. And then you got flag. Now, I know we have this wick up here, but I just feel like it's just more appropriate to do it right there. You see? There's your flag. Now, if we, you know, if we break out of this flag, we will probably push up to, I don't know how far up we're going to push, but we're probably going to push into that zone where I started putting some orders in. I don't know. I'm going to fucking like go chill, and then I'm going to come back on the laptop and be like, oh, awesome. All I have to do is just leave those orders in, chat. You know, the usual. But I don't know. This shit's moving way too fucking slow for me. That was a nice little pop, though, right there. 30 ticks. I'm celebrating a 30 tick pop. That's how fucking slow this shit is. But the range here in this flag is what, you know, 116. The range is about 50 to 60 ticks. Well, that's just getting a little fucking shit's waking up. I don't know. I'm fucking good. Oh, look at that. There it is. We just broke out. We just broke the trend. We just broke Tori's tan line. We blew her tan line. Oh fuck, that's not a fucking tan line. We blew her tan lines back out. The issue is like it's still not this monster move. We went from fucking 49.50 to 7. It's 21 points. Can it go higher? Very possible. But it's only 21 points. It took fucking forever to do that. But anyway, chat, I'm going to bounce. I got to go. Thank you so much for hanging out. Smash the like button. Sorry I didn't take any trades. There really wasn't anything going on. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'll be on for Power Hour tomorrow. I'll try to get on a little earlier. And let's close out the week on a high note. Mugs. I hope I'll be doing the same. But I'll see you guys soon. Thanks again. Smash the like button on your way out, all that good shit. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.